Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So as you can see on the screen, today we are going to discuss about the salary structure of Saint Gobain company. So we will start the video. Okay. So as you can see, this salary statement is for the month of March 2023 and the designation is team leader, okay, in the taxation department. Now we'll directly go to the earnings section. Okay, so now let me zoom in. So now we are having all the particulars under the earnings section. These are the rates and these are the earnings. So as you can see, basic pay for this designation is 1 lakh 2406. HRA is 50% of that. Special allowance is 2000. Education allowance is 200. And a huge incentive, you can see incentive is 16 lakhs 28,203. Telephone is 1,250. Bonus is 1,400. Other allowance is 1,29,970. So overall earnings, you can see gross earnings is 19 lakhs 16,633. That's a huge earning. Since it's a financial year ending, I guess they have received the incentive. Now let's go to the tax part. So now since the earning is huge, so accordingly tax will be more. So professional tax is there 212 and income tax you can see 5,70,300 and provident fund is 12% of basic pay, so that is 12,289. So you can say the total deduction is 5,82,801 and the net earning the employee has received is 13 lakhs 33,832. So you have seen the structure, so we can find that Saint Gobain is having very good variable pay component, and it's a very good payment that the employee has received. And rest of the structure you can see what they follow. HRA they follow 50% of the basic, and you can see PF is exact 12% of the basic. So stay tuned to my channel and please like and subscribe this channel to watch more salary slips of different companies. Also you will never miss any latest job notifications. So this channel is going to benefit you a lot with respect to your career. Stay tuned, please subscribe, like and share among your friends. Thank you, bye bye.